Hi, my name is Steph and this is Steph Does Data. Today we're going to be looking at Pandas data frames. So what is a data frame? A data frame is a two-dimensional object with labeled axes. It is size mutable, meaning you can add and remove columns and rows, and as a default has the ability to include any data types inside it. If you do want to limit the data types inside it, however, you can also do so by setting the dtype value away from none when you create the data frame. Overall, it is a very versatile and intuitive way of storing a large set of data that you wish to manipulate. Of course, using Pandas also provides you with a lot of inbuilt functions for working with large data sets. I will cover the ones I found particularly useful. To start off, you have a bunch of functions to help tell you about the data. What are your column headers? Is your data frame empty? What is the number of dimensions and what are their sizes? And things like that. There are also functions that give you the ability to modify a column as a whole. For example, the ability to change a data type. This allows you to make changes to an entire column rather than having to create something like a for loop to update every single entry one at a time. Another useful example is the inbuilt sort function, allowing you to sort all your data relative to a specified column. These sort of functions are not only useful for reducing your lines of code, but will also save you computation time. Navigation is also a big plus when it comes to Pandas data frames. Because the data frames are set up with identified axes, there are multiple ways you can narrow down and filter your data. There are functions that allow you to navigate to a specific column, row, section, or value based on both the index and the value. This is invaluable when working with a large data set. These identified axes are also useful for enabling you to perform arithmetic and other manipulation functions on both rows and columns. So there you have it. Now you know about Pandas data frames and why they are so useful. I hope this was helpful and I'll see you next time.